Hi guys, in this video we're going to create this magic logo right inside of Premiere Pro using the magic logo template for Premiere Pro in here. So let's go ahead and jump right inside of Premiere Pro, and right in here we can start off by making a new sequence. Of course, make sure that you have Premiere Pro 2021 since we're going to use a feature using Premiere Pro 2021, or else even a more recent version. So 2021 or a more recent version to Premiere Pro 2021. So with that said, we can go ahead and make a new sequence. So File, New Sequence. You can give it your own settings in here, or else just leave it the default in here and click OK. And now we need to install our motion graphics template. To do that, make sure that the Essential Graphics window is in here. So if that is not there, simply go to Window and make sure that that is ticked right over there. And now we can go to Graphics and install Motion Graphics template, or else you can even install it from right over here, this plus icon inside the Essential Graphics window. Select the folder that you have purchased in here, the MoGRT file, and click on Open. And there it is. Now we're simply going to drag and drop it right over there, and we're going to hit Change Sequence Settings. This way, the sequence that we have will take the settings of this motion graphics template right over here. So let's wait for that to load up, and there it is. And with that done, we can jump to the end in here, so that we can see the part with the logo. There it is. Wait for it a bit to load up, of course, and then you have the place your logo here. Make sure that you are inside the edit screen right over here, and from here you can simply replace from Explorer. Find your logo that you would like to add and click on Open. And there it is. Let's wait for it to load up in here. Perfect. And now I'm going to resize this from here, giving it a smaller value, something like 45, so that it fits properly in here. Perfect. And now we can go to the slogan part and give it our own slogan. Of course, you can even give it your own fonts from right over here. So perfect, has loaded up right over there. And then we can start editing this whole scene, the colors of this whole scene. So I'm going to start from the bottom in here, since we have the logo color in here. And I'm going to give it this like of purple color in here. Click OK. And there it is. The light rays, as you can see, are purple. Then you can change also the background color. I'm going to give it this like as well purple, dark purple color. Of course, give it your own colors in there. And then I'm going to jump to a different spot, somewhere around here I think, so that I can see the particles and start customizing the colors of those as well. So that's a little bit late in there, so we need to go earlier inside the timeline. Somewhere around here I think. Perfect. And let's start from the right particles. You can simply rotate this hue wheel in here until you find the color that you like. Perfect, that's something that I like. So we can go to the left particles hue now, and let's try and make it blue maybe. Perfect. And of course, continue rotating this until you find the color that you would like. Then you have the particles hue. I'm going to go for something, let's see what we have. Perfect, I like this kind of violet look in there. Then if we scrub to around here, you can see this kind of explosion here, and you can also modify the color of that. So right now it's in purple. You can continue rotating this to get the color that you would like. So if I rotate it a little bit more, I think I would get blue in here. So you can give it like the winning color in here. Perfect, so that's basically it. So we can have a look at how all of this looks in here. And then you can add your own music file in here. Just simply drag and drop your music file right over here, and you can render. And to render, we're going to go to File and Export Media. And find a spot for this in here. And simply type in your name in here. So magic logo, save. If you are using the music, simply hit export audio from right over there, and then use maximum render quality from here. The settings by default are in 4K in here. If you'd like that to be smaller, maybe in Full HD, simply type that to Full HD, 1920 by 1080. Perfect. So like that, it's in Full HD. Then I'm going to go to the last part in here, and I'm going to go to target bitrate, give that 35, so that it's quite high resolution there. So now we can either queue this to the render queue, or else simply go to export. So I'm going to click on export, and it will start exporting your scene. So that's basically it. Of course, rendering will depend on your system, etc. So, but it shouldn't take too long. So simply wait for that to render out, and you're ready to go. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy using this template and find it very useful. Thank you very much.